Affordable, high quality education, study in the heart of Europe, and after completing your education, thousands of job opportunities. If you are also looking for these things, then today's video is for you. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can proceed your application for bachelor's or master's in Germany. What are the steps that you should follow? So right from selecting your university, selecting your course, either in English or German language, and the preparation of the documents, and also some of the details about which documents are required. Do watch at this video till the end so you don't miss any information and you can maneuver your process on your own. Germany offers a wide variety of programs in engineering, business, medical, arts, and many more. So your first goal is to ensure that which program aligns with your qualification, and you have to shortlist the universities and your courses accordingly. So I have already made a video which shows how you can easily shortlist your universities. Here you can see the video, and I will also paste the link in the description. So once you shortlist your university following the procedure that is already being mentioned in this video, you can open their websites and also see the course details, various documents that are required, and also the deadlines for the admission. So the next step is to check your eligibility. If you want to take admission in bachelor program or in master's program, you have to check if you are eligible to get admission in these programs or not. Let's start with the bachelor program first. If you want to take admission in the bachelor program, so in Germany the bachelor admissions are usually accepted after the total education of 13 years. So if you have completed your 12 years of education in your home country, so you have to either pass through the Studienkolleg process, or you have to attend a university for one more year to get your education to 13 years, and then you can apply in the university for the bachelor program. So I have already made a video about the bachelor's in Germany, so you can easily watch this video, and after watching this video you can assess yourself that if you fulfill your eligibility to get admission in bachelor's in Germany, or what additional education requirements you must fulfill. For master's program, you must have a minimum education of 16 years. So after 16 years of education, you can directly apply for the master's programs and fulfill the requirements by shortlisting the universities and courses. And after fulfilling their requirements and completing the documentation, you can directly apply. For both bachelor's and master's, they look at your CGPA and GPA too. If you have a better CGPA, then you have more chances to get admission in these universities and in these courses. So if you are still studying and you are a student and you are planning to move in Germany in future, you must focus on improving your CGPA. The better you have, the more your chances to get admission in Germany. So the next step is to prepare your documents. So the first thing is your certified degrees and transcript. You have to attest and certify that your degrees are original and they fulfill the requirements for getting admission in Germany. Then the next thing is your language requirement. If you are getting admission in English taught courses, then you must have a language certificate like IELTS or TOEFL. Some universities and some courses, they also accept the English proficiency certificate. So it means if you are applying in these universities and these courses, then you must not do IELTS or TOEFL for them. A list of these universities have already been mentioned in one of the videos here that I have made, and you can also have an access to it, and you can watch this video to understand it better and to get benefit out of it. But if you are getting admission in German taught program, then you will need to show the proficiency in German language, usually through test DAF or through DSH exam, which is also known as DSH exam in German. The next thing is motivational letter. In certain cases or in many universities, motivational letter is also one of the requirements to get admission in Germany. You have to write a motivational letter which specifically describes you and can explain that you are the right candidate to get admission in this university. You possess the right pre-qualification and some experience in certain cases to get admission in universities. How you can write the letter of motivation, I've also explained in the previous video here, so you can just watch this video and you will learn how you can simply write a motivational letter which could be effective for your application. The next thing is CV and resume. So you have to prepare a very good CV, especially if you are applying for Germany. Then you must make a CV in Euro format, which you can easily get from the internet. I've also made a video about the CV, like how you can make a good CV, and I've also attached a template for this in my video. So you can just watch this video to get to know about the CV requirement and what the universities and the employers in Germany actually look in your CV. Then the next thing is your identity document, which in most of the cases is your passport copy. Providing the financial proof. So during your education in Germany, you required a block account. which is actually an assurity that you can bear your expenses during your education. A detailed information about block account and how you can open it and which are the different block account providers is already available in one of my video, which you can watch here. So currently the block account amount in 2024 is around 12,000 euros. In future it can increase, so do watch at the exact value of block account amount. If you cannot provide block account due to any reason, then there are also some alternative available. In certain cases, if you have scholarship award letter, then you don't need to provide the block account. Secondly, if somebody here in Germany is going to sponsor you, then you also don't need to provide any block account. So depending on your case and how you're planning the things, you can decide either block account or any other means that I have already mentioned here. If you have already shortlisted your university and your course, then the next step is to apply in the university. In Germany, there are two ways of applying in universities, either through UniAssist or directly to the universities. Many German universities utilizes the central application platform, which is known as UniAssist, to process the international student applications. The UniAssist makes sure that the documents are complete and they passes over the documents to the universities after scrutiny. So the documents which are required for the UniAssist are usually your degrees, your transcript, language proficiency certificates, and your passport copy, your motivational letter, your CVs, and so on. So if you are applying through UniAssist, UniAssist charges you a fee of about 75 euro for your first application, and if you have additional application in a certain university, they charge you about 30 euros for each additional application. Apart from this, some other universities also accept direct application. So for direct application, you just need to go to the website of the university and you need to fulfill their requirements, check the deadlines and the documents which are required. And after completing all of their requirements, you can directly apply to the university website. So it depends on the courses and the university which you are focusing and how they accept the application. So the next step is visa application. Once you have got admission in the university, you can simply apply for the visa appointment either in embassy or in consulate. So now I'm going to tell you various documents that are required for your visa application process for Germany. So the first thing is your proof of identification, which in most of the cases is your passport. So you should have a valid passport, at least with 2 years of validity. Then you have enough financial means, either in the form of block account or in the form of any sponsor or in the form of a scholarship. Then you should have a proof of health insurance that you will be insured in Germany once you land there. Currently, in most of the cases, you can open your health insurance online. There are many health insurance providers which also help you in opening your block account. So as I told you, there is a video where you can easily compare different providers which not only provide the block accounts but also the medical insurance and also the travel insurance. So once you have the admission from a university and you collect all of your other documents, you can simply apply for the visa appointment, and once you get the visa appointment, you can show these documents to the visa officer and you will get your visa for Germany. The next thing after getting the visa is to find the accommodation for yourself in Germany. So how you can easily find the accommodation in Germany, there are many different tips and tricks available. I have also made one of the videos on this topic. You can easily watch this video and you will get to know this process easily, and you can get your accommodation before you reach there in Germany. Apart from finding the accommodation yourself, the universities also provide different hostels for the students. So if you have already found the accommodation and you are about to fly for Germany, so there are some essential steps that you must do right after landing in Germany. I've also made one of the video on this topic, so you can easily watch it. And in order to get yourself prepared for your flight in Germany, there is also a video which will describe you that which are the important things that you must take with you while you move in Germany. So if you have any question or suggestions, you can write in description or you can follow our Instagram page for one-on-one conversation. So do like our channel, subscribe, and also press the bell icon so you can get all of the new videos and information about Germany directly on your home screen. So thank you for watching this video. We will see in the next video with a new topic and with the new information about Germany. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.